Ever wondered why certain compliments make her light up? While others seem to fall short in today's video, we'll uncover the art of giving compliments, an essential skill that can deepen your connection or miss the mark. If not delivered thoughtfully, we're not just talking about calling her beautiful. We're exploring compliments that resonate deeply, making her feel truly valued. Remember, it's not only about what you say, but how you say it. So if you're ready to make an impression, keep watching before we dive in. Please like this video to help us spread Stoic wisdom. If you're not yet part of our community, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon, so you never miss an update. If this video resonates with you, comment with the number 1, if not, comment with 0 to help me improve future content. Now, let's get started. 1. What's your take on this? Asking, "What's your take on this?" is much more than a question. It's an invitation for her to share her views and feel genuinely valued. This simple phrase conveys your interest in her intellect and perspective, showing her that her thoughts hold significance. It's not just about being polite. It's a way of saying, "I want to know your mind." By seeking lesson number 1, her insights on topics she's passionate about, you're indirectly complimenting her on a deeper level, letting her know you respect her knowledge, judgment, and way of thinking. Whether it's her opinion on a recent book she read, her insights into her field of work, or simply her take on a trending topic. Asking her opinion opens up a conversation that reaches beyond the surface. This type of compliment shows that you're not just interested in her appearance or the usual compliments, but in her values and ideas. Relationships grow stronger when both partners feel seen and understood, and acknowledging her perspectives encourages that bond to deepen. Showing her that her opinions matter can also inspire her to open up even more, building trust and connection in a way few other compliment can. It's a simple gesture but often leaves a lasting impression, helping her feel more connected to you as someone who genuinely cares about her thoughts and insights. 2. I've gained so much insight talking to you. Telling her "I've learned so much from you" goes beyond simple flattery. It's a profound way of acknowledging her intelligence, experiences, and knowledge. This kind of compliment isn't about inflating your ego. It's a humble admission that she has influenced your understanding in some way. To make this compliment even more effective, be specific. Did she introduce you to a new genre of music, broaden your political perspective, or teach you something meaningful? Sharing those specifics shows that you're genuinely absorbing what she shared with you. When you let her know she's taught you something valuable, you're reinforcing that her words have a lasting impact on you, not just in the moment, but potentially in your life, choices, and perspectives. This communicates that you see her as an equal, someone with wisdom to share, and that you appreciate her contributions. Furthermore, this type of compliment subtly reinforces that you are open to learning and growing, which can foster a relationship based on mutual respect and intellectual curiosity. When someone feels that they're contributing meaningfully to your life, it strengthens their confidence, and lesson number 2, solidifies their connection to you. It's a powerful way to say you matter, which is why this compliment holds such depth. 3. You always look stunning. Complimenting her appearance might seem straightforward, but the way it's delivered can make all the difference. When you tell her you look stunning, as always, you're acknowledging something deeper than just a passing moment. You're recognizing her enduring charm. This line shows that your admiration is consistent, not based on one specific day or outfit, but on her natural presence and aura. Adding, as always, give weight to the compliment, making it clear that her beauty, style, or overall presence isn't fleeting. It's something you notice regularly. This reinforces that your attraction goes beyond the superficial, which can be especially meaningful in a relationship where women sometimes wonder if they're being appreciated for more than their looks. Additionally, by consistently acknowledging her appearance without making it the sole focus, you build trust and confidence, helping her feel secure in the relationship. She'll appreciate that you see her beauty as a combination of her looks, character, and how she carries herself, which means more than a generic "you're pretty" compliments like these create a solid foundation of admiration that strengthens the bond, showing her that you see and appreciate her essence on a deeper level. 4. That was a great joke. You're pretty funny. Humor is often celebrated in men, But recognizing a woman's humor can be a refreshing and endearing compliment by telling her that was a great joke. You're pretty funny. You're showing her that you notice her wit and appreciate her personality, beyond the typical compliments. This isn't just about laughing at her jokes to make her feel good. It's about acknowledging her sense of humor as an important and attractive part of who she is, whether you're face-to-face or responding to a funny text or meme. Reinforcing that her humor adds to the enjoyment of your connection builds rapport. This validation encourages a positive, playful energy, helping both of you relax and connect on a more lighthearted level. Laughing together often strengthens bonds between people, and when both partners can appreciate each other's humor, it sets the foundation for a relationship where joy and mutual enjoyment flourish. Appreciating her humor not only counters societal expectations, but also shows that you value her for her unique qualities, helping her feel appreciated for who she truly is. It's a simple but impactful way to deepen your connection. Lesson number 3, through shared laughter and genuine interest. 5. You're truly unique. Telling her you're truly unique is a way of celebrating her individuality without falling into cliches. This compliment speaks to her authentic self, acknowledging that there's something about her that stands out instead of comparing her to others. You're appreciating her as a one-of-a-kind individual. This approach can make her feel truly seen, as it reinforces that you value her for the unique combination of traits, quirks, and qualities that make her who she is by expressing that she's not like anyone else you've met. You're encouraging her to embrace her individuality. She'll feel empowered to show up as her true self, knowing that her differences are what make her special in your eyes. This can be a meaningful reminder that she doesn't have to conform to anyone else's standards to earn your admiration. Compliments like these go beyond surface-level praise, celebrating her character and personality. This validation encourages her to stay true to herself, building a connection grounded in appreciation for each other's unique traits and laying the foundation for a bond built on authenticity. 6. You're really good at what you do. Complimenting her work ethic and talents shows that you're noticing her efforts. Beyond appearances, telling her you're really good at what you do celebrates her dedication, discipline, and hard-earned skills, which is often more impactful than focusing on superficial qualities. This statement communicates that you see her passion and are genuinely impressed by her ability to excel. Whether she's an artist, a professional, or someone driven by personal goals, by acknowledging her hard work and focus, you're letting her know that you're paying attention to what drives her, which validates her passions and goals for someone deeply committed to her work. A compliment like this reaffirms that you respect her as an individual with talents worth celebrating. It also encourages her to keep growing, knowing she's supported by someone, one who sees her value. Relationships flourish when both people feel valued. For more than just physical traits, this type of compliment creates a space for her to open up about her dream skills and the things that matter most to her. By showing you're interested in her strengths, you're building a connection that goes deeper, valuing her for the unique contributions she brings to the world. 7. I feel like a better person when I'm around you. Telling her I feel like a better person when I'm around you is a deeply meaningful compliment because it focuses on the positive impact she has on your life. This isn't about physical attraction or admiration from a distance. It's about acknowledging the growth, happiness, and inspiration she brings into your life. When you tell her this, you're affirming that her influence. Lesson number 4 is helping you become a better version of yourself, whether through her kindness, optimism, wisdom, or simply her presence. It shows that you don't just appreciate her for what she does, but for who she is and how she affects those around her. This kind of heartfelt expression can reinforce the emotional bond between you two, helping her see how valued she is in ways that matter. Compliments that recognize her positive influence elevate the relationship by focusing on a deeper connection. This statement assures her that her presence isn't just welcomed, it's transformative when she feels valued in this way. It fosters a sense of purpose in the relationship, letting her know that her companionship is enriching, inspiring, and genuinely meaningful. 8. Your hair, eyes, and smile are incredible. When complimenting her physical features, specificity makes a powerful difference instead of giving a generic compliment. Recognizing unique details like your hair, eyes, and smile are incredible shows that you're paying attention to. Her unique qualities highlighting something as personal as her features demonstrates that your admiration goes beyond the usual. It's thoughtful and personalized. Perhaps it's the way her hair frames her face, the depth in her eyes, or the warmth in her smile. When you appreciate these specifics, you're letting her know that you've taken the time to notice what makes her beautiful in a way that's individual to her compliments. Like these, avoid objectification by focusing on admiration rather than idealization, emphasizing that her distinct beauty resonates with you when you're careful to appreciate her in a way that feels genuine and respectful. She'll feel valued for her individuality rather than just her looks. This helps in building a connection that respects her as a person, acknowledging that her beauty is as unique as her personality. Compliments that are both personal and genuine help establish trust, encouraging her to embrace her own individuality. 9. I admire your dedication. In a world often fixated on appearances, acknowledging her dedication and drive is a refreshingly powerful compliment. By telling her, "I admire your dedication," you're validating her efforts, grit, and perseverance qualities. She may not always receive recognition for this compliment, goes beyond the surface, valuing her ambition and hard work, whether it's related to her career, personal goals, or any other passion. It's a statement that recognizes her character, reinforcing that you see her as someone capable, ambitious, and driven. Compliments about work ethic and resilience. Let her know you're interested in her goals and the energy she brings to achieve them. This kind of admiration builds a strong connection as it reinforces that you're aware of and support her on a level that transcends attraction. When she feels that her dedication is noticed and appreciated, she's likely to feel encouraged and motivated in her pursuits, knowing that she has someone by her side who respects her drive. This acknowledgement of her determination and hard work lays the foundation for a partnership that appreciates each other's achievements and shares in each other's dreams. 10. What's your perspective? Returning to where we started. What's your perspective is a question that speaks volumes. This isn't just a way to continue the conversation, it's a compliment in itself, as it values her opinions, thoughts, and contributions. Asking her perspective invites her to express herself, making her feel that her views matter to you. This question goes beyond mere curiosity. It conveys a deep respect for her intellect and individuality. When you ask for her input, you're reinforcing that your connection is based on mutual respect and understanding, showing that you truly see her as a partner whose insights you appreciate. This approach nurtures trust and openness, as she'll feel safe to share her genuine thoughts when she feels valued for her mind. Not just her appearance, it strengthens the foundation of the relationship. It can be profoundly validating to know that someone cares enough to listen and wants to hear what she has to say. This simple gesture creates an environment where both of you feel seen, understood, and appreciated, fostering a deeper emotional connection built on mutual respect and admiration. As we wrap up this guide to meaningful compliments, take a moment to reflect on what you've learned about deepening connections and expressing genuine appreciation. Share your thoughts in the comments to help us build a community of shared insights and support. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that fosters authentic relationships. Let's continue building meaningful connections through understanding and appreciation. Thanks for watching.